If you are planning a trip to Nagaland for the Hornbill Festival and the iconic Zoku Valley trek, this video is for you. In this video, we are breaking down the complete 1-week budget. Flights, trains, local transport, stay, food, festival tickets and the Zoku Valley package amongst others. If you're new here, we are local backpackers. We travel smart, slow and real. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and keep watching till the end for the full budget breakdown. First, let's talk about reaching Nagaland. To reach Nagaland, the best way is to first go to Guwahati. Return flight tickets to Guwahati will cost you around 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per person. From Guwahati to reach Dimapur, Nagaland, trains are a convenient option. AC chair car would cost you approximately 500 rupees per person. And an AC sleeper would cost you around 700 to 800 rupees. The train journey is roughly 5 hours. From Dimapur to reach Kohima, you can take a shared taxi that will cost you about 700 to 800 rupees per person. Or you can take a private cab which would set you back approximately 3,000 rupees. The road trip to Kohima takes about 3 hours. Now let's talk about the Hornbill Festival. Hornbill Festival takes place in Kisama village in Kohima during the month of December. This festival is a showcase of 17 Naga tribes and their cultures. The festival campsites can help you with your pickup through a shared taxi from Dimapur to the campsite near Kohima. So remember to check with them. For the Hornbill Festival, you can stay in a tent on a campsite which would cost you about 1,200 to 2,000 rupees per night. Apartments or homestays would be about 4,000 to 6,000 rupees per night. To enter the Hornbill Festival, you would have to pay a fee of 150 rupees per day. In case you are carrying a professional camera, you will have to pay rupees 100 for it. The Hornbill Festival is not just a magnificent cultural extravaganza, it's also a food paradise with unique and delicious food you get inside. Here, a typical Naga thali will cost you about 900 rupees. This is sufficient for 2 people. Other than that, rice beer here costs you about 100 to 200 rupees for a big glass. Depending on your food preference, how much you want to experiment with your food and eat, your spend would be about 1,500 to 2,000 rupees per day on food at the festival. From festive grounds to remote mountains in Nagaland, let's now talk about the budget for the Zoku Valley trek. Zoku Valley is an iconic high-altitude trek in the highlands of Nagaland. To do the trek, the best way is to connect with your homestays and campsites in Kohima and take a package. Most trekking packages cost around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees per person. This usually includes pick up and drop from the city to the hiking start point, lunch, dinner and next day breakfast, campsite stay, guides who take you through the trek and keep the group together. There are some additional charges at the Zoku Valley campsite like extra blankets which cost about 200 to 300 rupees. Now, if you are in Nagaland, we do recommend you to check out the capital city Kohima. Kohima is the heart of Nagaland and is a vibrant, bustling place. In Kohima, guest houses and hotels can cost you about 3,000 to 5,000 rupees per night. For food, you may have to spend rupees 800 to 1,000 maximum per person in a day. Homestays do come with one-time food included, but you will have to check with your place. Our homestay with Victoria came with food included, and we paid about 3,000 rupees for the place. We will drop a link to Victoria's guest house in the description below. If you want to rent a two-wheeler, you can get one in Kohima for about 700 to 1000 rupees per day. You have to add fuel yourself as per usage. So, for a comfortable 7-day trip covering the Hornbill Festival, Zoku Valley Trek, and to explore Kohima, you can expect to spend approximately 40,000 to 50,000 rupees per person. This depends on your stay choices and flight prices. Nagaland is not just a destination. Its culture, music, tribes, food, conversations and landscapes you won't see anywhere else in India. If you plan smartly, 1 week is enough to experience the energy of the Hornbill Festival and the surreal beauty of Zoku Valley without breaking your bank. If this breakdown helped you, like this video, drop your questions in the comments below and subscribe to Local Backpackers for more detailed, real travel guides. So, see you in our next journey with lots more local travel content.